How to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can remove your multiple Snapchat friends at once. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device. And make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Now navigate to the upper left corner. There you will get your profile icon. Simply tap on that. Once you land on your profile page, now scroll down a bit and then tap on My Friends. Here you will get all your friends that are added to your Snapchat account. Now if you like to remove someone from your friends, simply tap and hold on that account. A drop-down menu box will pop up. From there, tap on Manage Friendship and then you can simply tap on Remove Friends and that account will get removed from your friend list in Snapchat. Now you can repeat the same with your other friends as well. But if you like to do this at once, the Snapchat doesn't have that feature yet. So you cannot just simply select multiple friends at once and remove them. You have to go through one by one at a time. And that's how you can remove Snapchat friends. That's all for today's video and I hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.